You know, if these guys get upset at me or for any reason their business goes down, my business goes down. Do you want to be subservient to somebody like that? I said, now I don't want to cut them out. I mean, this is a pretty good deal. But I need to start marketing this on my own. And I learned what's called radio infomercials. This is what I did. Now, let's talk about first, this falls under the same category as a television infomercial, doesn't it? Now, what was a big drawback to a television infomercial? Upfront production cost. Now, here's the thing about a radio production cost. It's free. Why? Because I did it right there on my computer. So here's what I did. I had my advertising guy that's going to place advertising. I had him call me. And we hooked up this Radio Shack recording device on the telephone call. Here's the way, this is a 30-minute call, but now to tell you exactly, it is a 23-minute call. And we'll learn why that is. Because you have to buy time in blocks. They have their own commercials, but they'll run when you buy a 30-minute talk show or something like that, you only get 23 minutes. Okay, so we recorded for 23 minutes. So he called me on the phone, and here's a trick. Don't sit down when people are calling you. Stand up. Your adrenaline will flow. You think faster on your feet. So I'm standing up, and he's calling. He said, this is Joe Blow from Everybody's Money Matters. And once again, we're talking about ideas of how you can either increase your income or lower your expenses. Today, we have a very special guest with us, Mr. John Childers. A lot of you know him already. He goes all over the United States and even the world teaching people how to make more money. John, do you have any ideas for us today? Well, thank you, Jeff. You know, I've taught a lot of people how to make money, but I have run across the darndest thing you've ever seen. It has to do with saving money. Saving money. Because it's been said that you have to make $10 to save $1. What if I could show you how to save $5? That's the same thing as teaching you how to make $500. I want to show you how to make money if you travel. Now, let me tell you something. If you travel, or if you know someone who travels, now is that going to be everybody? Then you need to listen to this, because I found out that the absolutely cheapest rates you can get at a hotel are for travel agents, called the industry rate.